laze ladayiswa izwe lethu phambi kwethu sibuka emini kwaBha. Baze abafowethu abaphathi bezwe sabavotela sitshela ukuthi bazokwenza iqiniso badayisa izwe lethu emini kwaBha. Ungayibuka le video wena uthi ayi-affect mhlambe because financially you stable, uphume ekhaya right, zonke lento ezenzakala wena zingaka-affect okwamanje. But I know for a fact ukuthi every black person inayo family member ezilalini emakhaya somewhere out there exakekile. So before ngize ngikhulume kabi, mina anginankinga nabantu bokuhamba, anginankinga namuntu. Umuntu sokwenza abantu baNkulunkulu, anginankinga nawe. Inkinga iqala la ukuthi awukwazi ukuphuma ezweni langaphandle ufika la uzowenza izinto ezingekho emthethweni, ukudayisa isidakamiswa, human trafficking. Masubuka amakhesi amaningi eHillbrow, ubona abantu ababulala eHillbrow ba uye point uyobona into abayenzayo epoint ukuthi oba all over the world bakhala ngecountry eyodwa ukuthi labana abantu bafike ezweni labanye abantu bezobhidliza because bafuna ukulungisa izwe labo. Mase bethi but ukuba umlungu guys ngenifanise abelungu they create job opportunities. We can't even argue about that. Abelungu infrastructure they building South Africa from scratch. Ama malls, ama hotela, mase ngibalela ama job opportunities aba created mangakanani. Abayenzi lenenza ukuthi noma uvule wena restaurant uzoqasha abantu bangakini bokuhamba ubaholele imali encane because uyazi begodwa bezweni labo yo converter. It's going to be more. Ngeke mina wa South Africa mina ngisebenzela uThubhobho because mina ngihleli lana angeke ngiconvert uzonda uThubhobho. Wena uyazi ukuthi umuntu angakini noThubhobho lo eyanawo ezweni langa kubo uno 10,000. You understand? Silothena nobugebengu ukuthi nina nifika lana enza ubugebengu and trust me you guys, we do not have a problem nobhuti bethu bangaphandle sinenkinga indlela eniphatha ngayo. So now ngiyayibuza mina manje ngiyajula ukuthi why bebe ne confident engaka yokugcogca amakhanda ethu. Yazi bayinika obale confident le bayinikezwa ilabantu abasiphethe thina ababadayisela ama-RDP. Ngibuya kwi news official lithi i-Nigerian just bought ama-RDP houses. Make it make sense ukuthi i-RDP uyithenga kanjani because the RDP neyakhela ama-citizens in South Africa ukubulala uqeda imjondolo. Njengoba bekwazile uyithenge kobani, uyithenge kulaba phatha abakhulu abantu abanemali already who are wealthy, uyithenge kubona. Izwe lolungiseka kanjani if abantu abasiphethe kuyibona abadayisa izwe lethu. Masithi abantu bangaphandle bafika lana benza umathanda because bavunyelwa abaphathi bezwe ukuthi benza umathanda bayakhokha ngithi bona. Ungena kanjani social media uthi kade ngithenga ama-RDP houses ngiyolanda abantu bangakithi babuya beza la. How can you uba comfortable kanjani ume ku social media and make a video usho lonto loyishilo ingoba yazi ukuthi bagadwe wobani bayakhokhile. So mina ngithi mina yabo le impi le akuyona impi yokuthi uyilwe ngesandla, akuyona impi yokuthi uyile ngokuthukana kanje. There are so many influencers lana, content creators abanenamba ezinkulu angakaze ngabezwa bekhuluma ngale topic le ukuthi guys see youth in the journey asalwele thina silwele ingane zethu because izwe lethu liphelile. Ngeke ngize ngibaleke eCape Town. Cape Town bayazi abantu ukuthi phethe ubani bona bakhothi babachanasa kobani. Njoba enyusa ama rent benyusa ukudla akwazi Kenya Coke ungathenga ngo60 rand Kenya Coke ngobani benda bafuna ukuthi abantu abazohlala khona kube labantu laba aba wealthy. Baningi abantu abamnyama abanemali, they trying so hard ukuthi to get rid of abantu abamnyama. Uma usuye eHillbrow uyobona into eyenziwa abantu bokuhamba lapha na bethu you be so disappointed ukuthi oh my gosh yazi yabhubhudlu South Africa. Imithetho la South Africa isiyavumela abantu bokuhamba ukuthi bebe nezwi. Imagine umthetho wethu uvumele umuntu okuhamba ukuthi abe namalungelo. Yes, umulana une permit yokuba la ingaka expire permit yakho kuba la une passport, there's nothing wrong with that. Uzela ngomsebenzi, uzela ngokuzofunda, trust me you are more than welcome and we love you my sweetheart. But akwazi une permit expire kodwa futhi uma kiwe enkantolo ithi enkantolo unelungelo lokukhuluma. Make it make sense kanjani? Akwazi ukuthi yonke into wa South Africa icindezela umuntu omnyama guysini. Yonke into South Africa enziwayo icindezela umuntu omnyama, sicindezela kwa i-constitution yethu every single year kunyuka ama-rules ama-acts. Uthi walalela acindezela thina because bafuna ukusivala, bafuna isikhulu, bafuna sibesiyekele abantu bangaphandle benza umathanda ezweni lethu. Guysini no, anginalutho Enginako kuphela ile audience enginayo la ku TikTok, angilwi namuntu mina ngabathanda abantu bonke ngokulingana. Trust me, I love everyone ngokulingana. But akwazi ukuthi ungafika ifana nento lokuthi uzofika la kwami uhlale kusofuthi ngikhelela amanzi mina ngithuma ukukhelela amanzi bese uthi wena phela ivisit lanakekelwa. Ivisit lanakekelwa elibizwe yimina, ibizwe yimina kwami ekhaya. Unelungelo ukuthi ube lana yeza utatatazelela. Yo, ngicela noyibuke official news officiality nje just bought ama 80% of ama RDP houses. Kanjani mungayintuzuma manje kusana khona imizi ehlala baba u10 ku2 bedroom abantu abamnyama. There are no job opportunities. No one is creating any jobs. Upetrol uyakhuphuka, iVAT edleni iyakhuphuka. Kodwa ama RDP houses akhiwayo adayiswa. They're building RDP houses mase bayadayisela abantu bokuhamba. Hey, ukube sasazi uMandela ukuthi uzolwela inonsense ngabe sathi babelunga baqhubeka besenza ama slaves. Kulungile sibe yigqila zabo sazi ukuthi vele sicindezelwa abantu vele abamhlophe kulungile. Kunokucindezelwa umuntu omnyama gibele phaka amakhanda uthi uvoice ivoice yakho kuthiwa nje hey anginalungelo ukuthi ngikhulume kanjani sanalungelo sinezingane ehlele engafundi kuthiwa asike isikole because kunezingane zangaphandle ezifundayo kanjani guys lento lena idinge ngisho ukuya enkantolo common sense kanjani ukuthi ungaphakela izingane zakamakhelwane ingane zakhe esifunda singakadli kanjani ukwenze leyo mthetho leyo like mina nguma ngithatha zonke mina izingane but azike ingane ngithanda ukudlula izingane zami umongameli ubasanda bonke abantu but ngawuthanda abantu ukudlula izingane zakho which by abantu basezweni lakho accommodate bona kuqala make sure they are happy bona first before you accommodate abanye abantu bokuhamba mina ngazi kanjalo please stand to be corrected if I'm wrong but who am I? Love you guys, bye.
You know, whenever we tell people to go home, like the Nigerian High Commissioner in South Africa, I'm listening to this gentleman, the Nigerian High Commissioner spokesperson, speaking to one of our civic movement's leader and saying that they helped South Africans during the apartheid time. Apparently Mandela was hidden. Nigeria hid Mandela 1963 for 6 months. Mbeki stayed in 1977 to 84 in Nigeria. Now the next question that I'm gonna ask is that do we have a Mandela clan there? And a king, because Mandela comes from the line of kings and chiefs. Do we have a community of South Africans in Nigeria dominating a particular part of Nigeria? Are South Africans committing trafficking, doing drugs and things like that? You cannot use that logic and thinking to justify what Nigerians are doing in this country, amongst other things. Because they are not the only ones that are notorious for criminality in this country. But since, as illegal immigrants or foreigners, but since we're talking about Nigerians in this instance, then we will then focus on this particular group or nation of illegal foreigners. You always have to remind us that you helped us. Let me tell you something, my man, whoever you are, many South Africans died for the struggle in this country. Many families of South Africans died for the struggle in this country. As a matter of fact, almost every family, you don't have to go too far to find a liberation struggle activist or somebody who passed away or died fighting for the liberation struggle. Every family, every South African family, either relative, if you don't find somebody who was an activist in that family, in that bloodline, either on the mother's side or on the father's side, you will find a freedom fighter in that family. Because we are a people of resistance. That's who we are. From the times of the kings and the chiefs, you talk about the Mapondo, you talk about the Xhosa, you talk about the Zulu, you talk about the Sioux. We are a people of resistance. That's who we are. It's in our blood. So this thing of resistance has been there. It's inculcated in our DNA. So don't come here and talk about that you helped us. And Those frontline state countries are not talkative like that. Your people here are committing hideous crimes. And South Africans are tired. And I like what the gentleman said, I don't know his name. He says, our apology is one thing. You as the Nigerian High Commissioner in the country, the apology that we want to see from you South Africans is that we want you to see you making visas, whatever, communicating with our Home Affairs. And these 500,000, apparently that's the number of illegal foreigners, according to some report, illegal Nigerians in the country, 500,000 something plus, got to go the stepping and got to get the stepping, and you guys ought to get involved. The High Commission of Nigeria, y'all have to get involved in that. Get the stepping. Get the stepping. Get the stepping. That's our apology. No apology of mouth here. The damage is too much for us to bear. Get the stepping. Get the stepping, because it's about to get worse. We're still playing. We're still asking. Get the stepping. It's about to get worse. South Africans are tired. Every time when we demand what's right for us, and nobody should tell us how, dictate to us terms and conditions. This is our country. Sekayala. It's not your country, it's mine. And fellow South Africans and citizens. You are here illegally. Not even our government will tell us anything when it comes to South Africa. When Mandela said, President Mandela, the late, said that if the ANC government does to you what the apartheid government did, you do to the ANC what you did to the apartheid government. He understood who we are. Because all of you don't understand who we are. You don't understand you don't understand what we are willing to do or what it takes for us. That's why even in the times of Ubandlululo, the struggle time, it was a minority of us who went out. Many of our people stayed in the country. Those so-called that went to exile, there were few compared to us, our people who stayed here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a serious matter. We are playing with you. To the Nigerian High Commissioner, listen to those South Africans when they say the apology is that deportation of all illegal foreigners, Nigerians. The Nigerian High Commissioner will be responsible for the illegal Nigerians. Deport them home, make paperwork, processes, whatever, start the process of taking them back home. That's the only apology that we want. The coronation thing of a king. You don't understand South Africans. You don't understand who we are. We don't run away. We stay and face whatever we need to face. That's who we are. If you can understand that about us, then you understand South Africa.
Remember what I said to you last video, that it doesn't mean because you are black, you are my brother. No. I find it very disrespectful that another man can come into my home, my father's land, and then he builds himself a home, a house in my house. That is what Nigerians are doing in Eastern Cape. I told you, it's not because of the skin color. They will kill you, still saying they are your brother. That is what Cain did. Nigerians are very disrespectful, and I hate it. Coming into South Africa and disrespecting the man of this land. It's annoying is
South Africa has become a playground yama foreigner guys. Just imagine abantu ababanjiwe lapha eKrugersdorp ezimines zakhona nabadlwengulile abantu nabadlwengula umphakathi okusolakala ke ngusubala ukuthi ningi icrime asebayenza kutholakala ukuthi bawu4 abase Lesotho babe u4 abase eZimbabwe futhi bese bezoba u7 abase Mozambique, 1 wase Malawi, 1 wase Cameroon. Just imagine these foreigners are here to destroy this country, but nina abantu ba South Africa anifuna ukuvuka, aningakakuboni lokho. Even ugovernment wenu ulele, even ama government officials enu alele, all they know kuphela ukutapana nemali, ukutshontshana nemali, corruption. Even amaphoyisa enu corruption, ngoba akwazi ukuthi labantu laba bebengaziwa khona amaphoyisa abaziyo but abebagqiba ngoba bekade bekhokhela.
Hayi mina bethu ndinombuzo mna apha emaXhoseni abakubantu base Eastern Cape. Yebethuna guys, girls, nje saziwa ngento yoba thina singamaXhosa sithengisela amagweja, sibathengisela ikhumeme, sitshata nabo, siyabazalela. Kuba lokho siqhathwa zezimali zeweave basiqhatha ngazo, ezimali zamadala, ezimali zamazipho. Sentsho bethuna sithi sithengise ilizwe ngehlobo, because kaloku saziwa ngalo nto thina ezamaXhosa. Lamagweja nje, lamaZimbabwe, lamaNigeria ezoba nobukhosi apha. Abona niba thina singamaXhosa siyaqhatheka zezimbotyi basipha zona. Sentsho sithi saziwa ngento yoba thina the reason why kukho u-Igbo apha, kukho o-Igwe apha is because bayayazi kaloku Igbo bathe o-Igbo thina ba siyabathengisela. Sentsho bethuna sithi saziwa ngaloo nto maXhosa ase-Eastern Cape. Sithi saziwe nangaloo nto nabethu, sithi saziwe ngaloo nto bathina sithengisela abantu. Ngoba lokhu basinika, hayi Jomi igweja, Jomi liza kwenza intloko igweja Jomi. Igweja Jomi liza kunika kamnandi gqibela ukwenza amazipho. Sentsho bethu nodi thengise ilizwe ngenxa yaloo nto. Sentsho niyazibona izinto amaZulu abantu bezinye tribes into basithethayo ngathi, and konke into basithethayo abazakhi emoyeni, bathetha into abazibonayo bona. Bathetha into abazibonayo ngathi sengamaXhosa. Ewe mhlambi kumnandi ukuhlala kodwa but at the expense of reputation yakho as intombazana yomXhosa, at the expense of imfazwe leyo iyanwelwa ngootamkhulu bakho noomalume bakho nootata bakho ngexesha le-apartheid. Sentsho thina singamaXhosa lapha e-Eastern Cape, especially isiXhosa women, sithini xa siva le nto? Because yi-nonsense ngoku yona le. Hayi bethuna mna ndi-curious, and ke ngoku mna andiwazi as umXhosa myself, as a young Xhosa woman, andisazi silo hlobo bra. Singabanye babantu, our tribe is one of the tribes that fought so hard for this country. Why are we just setting it away just because ufuna igweja, uvila lokuba igweja layikhupha imali? Jonga ukuba la magweja enza ntoni. Nje beniwazalela nje niwathengisela ngekhumema, jonga ukuba asenza ntoni elizweni lethu. Bethuna acala zibuye nengqondo, khanike ucinga nge-genitals, khanike ucinga ngamaphambili, khanike ngengqondo ngoku. Khanike nike ucinga ngekhumeme zenu ngamaphambili, kake nicinge ngengqondo ngoku. Yabona mayilizwe, yabona kwenza ngantoni e-Eastern Cape? Bathi singamagwala, amaZulu athi bana singamagwala, athi bana singabathengisi, sithengisa ngelizwe. Because lokho wena lasisi, because wena kaloku uzixela uba come fire by force uzalifumana igweja kuyalifuna. Jonga ngokuba kwenza ngantoni elizwe lethu. Thina singamaXhosa saziwa ngento yoba thina sithengisela amagweja. Out of all of the tribes in South Africa, sithi abona abantu we are the number 1 tribe. That is the reason for these people to come in. Sentsho bethuna niyabona uba nithengisa ngedignity yethu singamaXhosa, abona uba nithengisa ngenantsika nge-reputation yethu, ngedignity yethu. Bethuna please khandivaleni imilenze, please ayikho le into.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. South Africans are really tired of foreigners, and they are always saying ukuthi they must go back to their countries, they must just leave. And kuyakhombisa nje ukuthi bantu bakhathele shemi, bantu bokufika. People are saying ukuthi foreigners are destroying South Africa just because nabo banelibala lelimnyama njengathi. It doesn't make them their African brothers and sisters. ukuthi kuhlezi kufanele basi akhuluma lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ukuthi we are xenophobic, we hate them, bahambe sibathanzele ekudzeni sibathanzele in their own countries, but sikhathele and the audacity that they have sibinzile abanaso ukubona nje ukuthi basemgaba beSouth Africa. Ngisho ungaya lapha ePoint uyabona ukuthi vele live labo, if you are a South African bakubona laphana, uyabona nawe nje ukuthi bakubona ngazuthi ulahlekile, you don't belong there leyanzawo iyabo. So bantu basho nje ukuthi usikhathele shame, and they keep on coming ngebunyindi la South Africa. Uyabona nje ukuthi in 20 years to come eSouth Africa iyobe ingasenawo abantu base-South Africa, kuyobe sekugcwele ma-foreigner la South Africa, ma-Nigeria, ma-Zimbabwe, bantu base-Ghana babe bagcwele la South Africa. eSouth Africa nje kuyaphela kahle kahle ngayo, because even our government is not saying anything about this thing. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.